What are you doing? Isn't that sweet? He's just sitting there loving his little stuff.
You got it?
He's getting it.
Oh,
Let me see his feet.
You're filming?
With your arms. Back out of the way. Isn't that sweet? He loves you, little man.
He likes bath time.
Do the belly again, Mommy. Do the belly.
Belly
Make me
again.
sit in there.
The belly again.
I love it. What the
Yes.
hell are you looking at? And what the hell is that in your hands? That's not a camera, is it? You're going to put this on YouTube, aren't you?
Look at Daddy. He's a good boy. He likes his bath, doesn't he? Yes, he does love his bath.
Little baby.
Yes. The baby loves his bath. Do
Loves
the
his
belly
bath.
again, Mommy. Do the belly again, Mommy. Okay, time for a rinse. But look at them. They're falling off, honey.
We won't talk about please during the filming.
It'll ruin it.
That's right.
You got it?
Yes.
You still getting it?
Yep. You never know when he might do something cute. Like that.
There we go. There we
Look at
go.
the belly. I got a couple more fees here. Rub the belly again.
Belly, belly. No more, please. Instead of no more tears, it's no more, please.
You like your bad little pickles. I don't know, but I like where she's touching me. That's it. Look at the flea on my weenie.
I already got that one. It's not there no more. Come on, I wish.